Testing, testing. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. If you guys can't tell, I did get my camera back finally after it felt like what, an eternity. And this time I'm trying to do an introduction without my makeup on. Reason being, let me tell you something. So when I'm editing these videos, I gotta be honest with you guys, when I'm doing like my introduction with a full face of makeup on, and then as I transition into the no makeup, not gonna lie, sometimes I'm like, damn, like what a difference. And I'm like, I can't. Like, it's just such a change. Like, I'm very comfortable with no makeup on, don't get me wrong, but like, I know some viewers out there who are watching my videos like, God damn, like, look at that transformation. Like, you know how people think. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm still gonna do like my introduction showing off the makeup, like with the music playing and all that, but like as far as like sitting with you guys and introducing the video, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do with no makeup on. But yes, anyways, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Alicia. I would love for you guys to subscribe down below if you enjoy this video and if you enjoy my content. And I'm gonna stop babbling. Let's go ahead, let's play with some makeup. I also forget I don't really have to scream as loud, like talk as loud, because I have my microphone on. So I'm like, Alicia, let's tone it down. So to prime for my eyes, I'm going in with my Milani. This is the Conceal and Perfect long wear concealer. I did bump it up a shade because I did get a little bit of color. This is in the shade medium beige. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit far because I don't know if I'm gonna bring any shadow out that far, but just in case we do, we know it's primed and ready to go. This is the Maybelline. This is the Super Stay full coverage powder, and I've just been using this because I got this in a little bit of a darker shade also. This is in 220 Natural Beige, and just set my face, so my eyes. So I think for this look, I'm going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. This is from her Vault collection, and this one is in Bling Boss. And I grabbed this is the Huda Beauty, the New Nude palettes. So to start off this makeup look, I'm going in with the shade Teddy, and I'm going to put this in my crease. Okay. To deepen this up, I'm going in with the shade Raw, which is right here. And I'm going to put this on the outer third of my eye here and on the inner corner. This is a Sigma small tapered blending brush. This is the E45. So I'm going to take this and so I think like I said, I want to do a spotlight eye. Taking that same shade, and I'm buffing it on that inner corner there. I'm gonna take this shade right here. I was thinking the brighter one, but I think with the tones we have going on, I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the shade Rockstar. So I'm going in, this is the Morphe, the M507 brush, and taking that Rockstar shade, and let's just deepen this up. Basically just gonna kind of go over what we just did. And this brush is small enough. I'm gonna come in that inner corner too and build that up. This looks really, really crazy right now. And I know this. This one is the Armed and Gorgeous from the Vault collection, and this color right here, Coin, it is such an intense gold color. So I think I want to use that, and we may top it off with something. So I'm going to take just a little bit of that concealer again, that Milani one, and just place a little bit in the center just to get a base under there. I just want to place it where I want that gold to be. That way it, helps it adhere and stand out. It's just easier when you put a base on. And I know this mirror is super close and you guys can't see what I'm doing. Ooh, yes. Ooh, gosh. Okay. Perfect, perfect. We may go back in and touch it up, but let's blend these together. Just so it's not look like it's just like laying there. And we'll go back in and top it off if we lose a lot of it. I'm just basically meshing them together like that. See the difference there? And we'll just go back in a little bit to bring back some of that gold. I think I'm gonna go in with these are the lashes I used in my last video. They're from Sumptuous Beauty. These ones are in the style Milan. And I do have a discount code if you guys, want to give these a go. It's Alicia20. I'll put it somewhere on the screen here. I'm going in with the Maybelline Baby Skin. I picked this up the other day to use it, I think with you guys when I was filming a makeup tutorial. And I just fell in love with it like all over again. All right, let's get these lashes on because I always, when I start skin, I get like too involved and then I'll forget to put my lashes on. I place it down in the middle, push it in, and then I'll go in with the tweezers. And if you see any of the blue iridescent glue, don't worry, that does dry clear. So, looking good, looking good. I'm going in with my favorite concoction at the moment. You guys know I love the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop for the coverage. And then just to help with the color, because this is going to be a little bit too light, I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match. This is in the shade W6. I know this looks like super crazy right now, but, okay. That should be good compared to the rest of my body. Yeah, it's doable. And then when we go in with bronzer too, that will help. The only thing about your face never tanning, I mean, it's good in the long run just for wrinkles and sun damage and all that. But you really can't leave the house without some type of foundation on because you're gonna look like a crazy person when your body's super dark and your face is super white. You know what I mean? That's the only bad thing that is kind of annoying, See, we're a little bit better here. But once we bronze and everything else, it will all come together. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Again, I'm going in with the Milani, same one we used to prime our eyes. This stuff is so creamy. Look at that. It just glides on like butter. I have my loose powder. I always have it ready to go. And I've been hooked on the Maybelline Fit Me. I haven't really been liking the super bright eye right now. That may change, but right now, I'm not feeling it. So going in, and for under the eyes, I don't want to do a lot. I don't want to do nothing too crazy. So I think I'm going back in with the shade Raw that we used. And I'm going in with that Rockstar from the Jacqueline palette. And I'm just going to smudge that in the lash line. So I'm not dragging it down too far. I'm just going to keep it as close to my lash line as I can. Just for some extra va-va-voom. See the difference there? And then I'll just always go back with that first brush that we used. No additional product. And I just like to smudge it just to kind of blend them together a little bit more. See the difference there? Even though we don't bake, I do like to just take a brush and wipe away very lightly, just in case we have any loose powder or fallout from the lower lash line. And then to bronze, I'm going in with my Maybelline City Bronzer. This one's in the shade 200. And give me some cheekbone, girl. Give me some cheekbone. So for blush, I'm using this guy. I used to be obsessed with them, and I saw it, and I'm like, let me break him out. But this is the Pixie Fresh Face Blush. This is in the shade Beach Rose, and I like it just because we have a lot going on with the eyes. This is more of just like a neutral, kind of like peachy shade. So I am using this today because I feel like it's just good. I just think it's good. Good tone. You know what I mean? Just when you have a lot going on the eyes, I feel like I want a more muted down, kind of like a natural blush shade, so to speak. So I like that. So all we have left to do now is to highlight, lower lash, and the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is like my third bottle, I want to say, of this. I really like that setting spray that just kind of like, I feel like melts everything in and gives me a little bit of like that dewiness back that we lost just from packing on those powders and blushes and things like that. So for my highlight, I'm gonna break this guy out again. This is the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I don't think you can get this any longer. It's limited edition, but I just love this, and I don't know. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, like breaking out all these old products, but there's so many things I love that I miss using. And again, I'm gonna go with my sponge, and I always take the excess off my hands. And then I'm just gonna go up here. I always go like up and around. Hope you can see that. I love this highlight. It's just so pretty to me. I'm gonna go right here. Yes. So now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna finish up my eyes and apply my lower lash mascara. And this is the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I do want to do a neutral lip just because we have a lot going on with the eyes. So I'm going to keep it neutral. And first thing I'm going to do, I'm going in with my LA Girl. This is the liner that I used in my last video, and I've really come to like this a lot. This is in the shade Sugar and Spice. And I do like to do my lips once I set my face because it does, the setting spray kind of moisturizes your lips. So I feel like the liners just glide on so much easier. See what I mean? I could totally leave the house and be fine with just this lip liner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last. This is the Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Send Nudes. So I like this because it's a nude, obviously, shade. And I like it because it's not like super, super nude. So it has like a little bit of like an undertone. My only complaint with these is that the applicator, this doe foot, is so like flimsy. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like as I'm doing this, it moves. Like I can't, it bends, and I hate that. And then just to add a gloss on top of that, I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. And just to like top it off a little bit. So you guys, this completes this makeup look and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and like how this turned out. I know I wanted to do something other than like bright spring fun colors. Like I know that's, you know, what everybody's doing right now, but I don't know, like, you know, sometimes I like to be a little bit more on the darker, edgy, vampier side of things. So that's what my goal was today, and I am absolutely in love with how this turned out, and I hope you guys are too. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy and you guys like the makeup tutorials. And if you're new, subscribe down below. I would love for you to be a part of our family here on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.